Hello class 9. Welcome to social science class. Earlier we have started history chapter 1 the French Revolution. Let's revise in brief what we have covered earlier. You have read the monarch rule in France, but people were unhappy under the rule of monarch that was Louis XVI. After that, the people of Third Estate formed the National Assembly and made the France constitutional monarchy. But this government was also failed. After that, the poor section of society that were Jacobins made the new government called Convention and France became republic. This was the third government of France, but this government also wrapped up in 1 year due to rigid and the harsh policies. And after this government, the fourth government formed by the Directory which rules the France, but under Directory there were so many conflicts and clashes that there was no political stability. After Directory, military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte ruled the France for next 10 years. Now in this video we will read about the condition of women in France and the abolition of slavery in the French colonies. Now, did women have a revolution in France? So the answer is yes. They were very much active participant in all the events of the French Revolution. They participated in all the events in the hope that the new government or the revolutionary government will introduce measures in order to improve their lives. But the condition of women in Third Estate was very miserable. Women were uneducated, they were not having any job training, and they were responsible to do whole household work. In addition to household work, they were also worked for living. They worked as laundresses, they sold flowers and fruits, vegetables. They also did work as a domestic servants in the houses of richer class, but their wages were very low. And the condition of the women belonging to noble family or the wealthy family was also not so much good. The daughters of nobles and wealthy people could study at convent, but after study they were not allowed to participate in political activities or economic activities. After education their marriages were arranged. When the National Assembly or the Constitution of 1791 declared the women as passive citizen, at that time women opened so many political clubs and newspaper in different cities of France to discuss and voice their interest. And at that time about 60 political clubs were opened, and among which Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women were very much famous. And the main demand of the women political club was to enjoy the same political rights as enjoyed by the men. So they demanded for the right to vote, to be elected to assembly and to hold the political office. As the women's movement for equal rights were so much active that revolutionary government or the new government decided to introduce laws in order to improve the lives of women in the early years. So they created state schools and made the schooling compulsory for the girls. Now families or fathers would no longer force their daughters to do marriage against their will. Marriage also became registered contract, divorce was made legal, and so many workshops were opened so that the women could also run the small businesses. As the revolutionary government gave social rights, economic rights, but women's struggle for equal political right was still continued, and during the reign of terror the condition of women was very much miserable, एज इट वॉज ए रूल ऑफ जैकोबिन्स, और जैकोबिन्स ने जितने भी वुमेन ने पॉलिटिकल क्लब ओपन किए थे सारे बंद करवा दिए, एंड दोज हु वर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविटीज़ वुमेन वर अरेस्टेड एंड एग्जीक्यूटेड. एग्जीक्यूटेड मीन्स गिलोटिन, मीन्स दे वर beheaded. And women's movement for equal voting rights and for equal wages continued through the next 200 years, and it became the international suffrage movement. And at last, after the struggle of more than 200 years, in 1946 women granted the right to vote in France. Now the next part is abolition of slavery. Slavery means गुलामी. अब फ्रांस में गुलामी का भी सिस्टम था. In 1794 convention, जैकोबिन regime abolished slavery. जैकोबिन regime में सिर्फ एक ही अच्छा काम हुआ था, that they abolished the slavery because they themselves belonging to poor section of society. अब ये slavery का क्या system था? So let's do that. In Caribbean, which is in America, there were French colonies named Martinique, Guadeloupe and San Domingo, in which French plantation owner grew tobacco, indigo and sugar. As there was very much fertile land, they grow at very large scale. But there was one problem of shortage of labor. As the French plantation owner were facing the shortage of problem, they decided to call the labor from the Europe. But Europeans were reluctant to go America because they didn't want to go to distant land in order to do work. So, in order to fulfill the requirement of the labor, they started triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa and America in 17th century. तो ट्रायंगुलर स्लेव ट्रेड स्टार्ट हो गया 3 कॉन्टिनेंट्स के बीच में इन 17th सेंचुरी. सो हाउ दिस सिस्टम वाज वर्किंग? सो देयर वाज अ ट्रायंगुलर स्लेव ट्रेड बिटवीन 3 कॉन्टिनेंट्स, that was Europe, Africa and America. From Europe, French merchant, they sailed to African coast and they bought slaves from the local chieftain. वहाँ के local king से वो slaves को परचेज करते थे एंड आफ्टर दैट दे वर ब्रांडेड एंड शेकल्ड. उनके ऊपर मार्क लगा के उनको चेन से बांध कर स्लेव्स वर पैक्ड टाइटली इनटू शिप्स. उनको पैक कर दिया जाता था शिप में. एंड देन देयर वाज अ 3-month वॉयज और 3-month जर्नी across the Atlantic Ocean from Africa to America. And after reaching America, they were sold to plantation owners. So this trade was so much flourished. So due to this trade, buying and selling of slaves, the 2 ports of France named Bordeaux and Nantes become very much economically prosperous. So this system of slavery was started in 17th century France. And when National Assembly formed the government, they held long debates that whether the rights of men and citizens should be extended to all French subjects. But at that time, no law passed due to the fear of opposition from business group whose income depended on the slave trade. क्योंकि नेशनल असेंबली ने भी उस समय वोटिंग राइट्स सिर्फ रिच क्लास को ही दिए थे, एक्टिव सिटीजन्स को ही दिए थे. तो बहुत सारी रिच क्लास और बिजनेस ग्रुप की इनकम जो थी वो स्लेव ट्रेड के ऊपर डिपेंड करती थी. दैट्स वाई दे डिड नॉट एग्जीक्यूट एनी लॉ. एंड it was during the Jacobin regime that they abolished the slavery. But after 10 years in 1804, Napoleon reintroduced the slavery and finally it abolished in 1848. This is enough for today. In the next video, we will read about Napoleon and changes that come in France. Till then, stay home, study at home and be safe. Thank you.